In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on Xfinity so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. If you're an Xfinity customer, ESPN is often included in your cable package. To watch, turn on your TV and navigate to the ESPN channel using your Xfinity remote or on-screen guide. ESPN channels like ESPN, ESPN2, and ESPN News are typically available in most sports packages. For streaming, download the Xfinity Stream app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, or visit the Xfinity website. Log in with your Xfinity account credentials and browse the Live TV section to find ESPN. You can also use the app to stream ESPN on the go. If you have ESPN Plus for additional content, link your Xfinity account to access it through the ESPN app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the activation code. Ensure your Xfinity subscription includes ESPN to avoid interruptions. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on Xfinity.